everybody, this is Crystal with CrystalsDiversiCreations. So the good folks over at Yamation sent me over some DTF items to sample. So let me show you what's in the box. So they sent me over some DTF sheets. And so these are the A3 sheets. So they're the 11 and a half by 16, I believe it is. So it's like roughly 11 by 16. So it's the A3. They sent me over 2 packs of that. And then also the DTF glitter sheets, which I am very excited to try these. So this is the DTF glitter film, and this is the 8.5 by 15 sheets. And then they sent over one of their DTF powder kits. So the white fine is for fine patterns. The white medium is more your standard, and it's for the wide range of different fabrics. The white coarse is for a larger mess, and then the black is going to be for darker patterns and darker clothes. And in this kit, you get a black medium, you get a white fine, a white coarse, and a white medium DTF powder. And so this is how it comes. And the white fine is 3 ounces. Here you go. And this is the black powder. This is 3 ounces. The coarse powder is also 3 ounces. And the DTF white medium, they actually give you a nice size. It's 6 ounces. So we're going to go ahead and print something, see how it works. So when we think about the vinyl, we're going to do one of the A3, just do a design. I have some eagle lips because, hey, I'm in Philly and we're about to go to the Super Bowl. So we're going to do a eagle lips on the A3. And then we're going to use the glitter for its Black History Month. So we're going to do something with the Black History Month. So we're going to go ahead and get started with these 2 projects. And we'll use some of their powder with this. And this will be the first video, but I'm going to do some other videos and we'll continue to use some of the products and we'll see what we think about them. Alrighty, so let's go. So the paper tells you that this side is the print side. So we'll just go ahead and pull it out of here. Get it loaded. So I'm going to go ahead and get it loaded, and then I will send the design over. All right, so this is the design, and I'm just going to real quickly send it over to the printer. I'm not going to go over the settings and everything because I have other videos that kind of speak to that. So we're just going to get it sent over, and I'll meet you over at the printer. So here it is feeding. It appears to be feeding well, and it's printing. So we'll take a look at it when it comes out and we'll get the powder ready. Okay, so here's the print. It looks good. We're going to go ahead and powder. So I'm just going to put it down here in my little powder bin. I'm going to be using the white medium, which is sort of the all-purpose one. So we're going to use this. So let me just, okay, so I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on there. Okay, close it back up. So it comes with a resealable bag. So I'm just going to close that back up. And then we're just going to get it coated. Get the excess off. I'm going to use 2 hands and pop it, which you know is just like snapping it. I'm going to snap it, and then we're going to go ahead, put it in the DTF oven, and I'm going to bake it for 150 for 30 seconds. I'm going to turn it around and do another 30 seconds. So we'll see what it looks like when it comes out. So this is after the 2 dries in the oven. So it's nicely melted. This is the glitter one. And so this has the information on it to let you know that this is the printing side as well. Okay, it has like a little shimmer in it. You can see that. So this is before it's going in. I think you can see that at the angle. So we're just gonna go ahead and get it lifted. So you can see a lot of the shimmer with it there. It's not anything to feel. It's just a look. So let's see what it does when it prints out. Let's see how it takes the paper. Okay. So we're off. So here's the finished. Oh, that's interesting. I guess it had a little difficulty spitting it out. So I maybe shouldn't have went to the end of the page, I guess, because it looks like it didn't want to take it all out. But let's just see. It is pretty. The little shimmer to it. I'm gonna print it again. And the letters going to the edges, it's my fault because I put in 8.8 instead of 8.5. So let's see what it does here as it finishes. Okay. And it sounds at that. Now that's not making sense to me because me shortening this should have, and taking it from the edge should have made it where it was less of an issue pushing it out. Okay, so we're ready to press the one design. This is the glitter. I had to piece it together because I wanted it larger. So I just kind of pieced it together. I've pre-pressed the shirt. I'm pressing at 300 and I'm going to do about maybe like 15-20 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and get it down here. Oops. Okay. So that's about good. So we'll see. So this is it. I just want to see, can we see the shimmer in it? I think we can. Let's see. About like, yeah, there you go. You can see it right there. All in here. So it's really pretty. It really is. But it's just not as loud as we're used to it. It's just very subtle. Okay, so now this is the Eagles design, and this is just a sampling their DTF, the Yamation DTF paper. So this is the design printed. This is how it cured using their paper, their powder. So let's get you down. I think this is on 290, and we'll just hit it for 30 seconds. Okay. So go ahead and just get this. Smooth it out. So this released rather nicely and with a warm peel, a true warm peel. And oh my gosh, it feels amazing. This feels amazing. It feels like it's like nothing on it at all. So we're just going to go back under for 10 seconds. So let me show you how nice this is. This is really nice. And I'm going to add some bling, so I'll show you the finished shirt at the end. All right. So here you have it. Fly, Eagles, fly. So hey, I hope you all found this video helpful. This Yamation DTF film and powder is really nice. Very, very soft. Feeds easy into the printer. And then as for the glitter one, I mean, depending on the way that you put it in there, it is very shimmery, but shimmery. So just make sure you realize that it's not going to be glitter like we would see in our HTV, but it is very much shimmery. So, I mean, I like it. I can see some uses for it. And I do think it's a good product. But again, that is with all of the glitter DTFs. You're going to mainly get this kind of glitter. All right. So I hope you all found this video helpful. Thanks as always for watching. Thanks to Yamation again for sending us this glitter and the package of the powders. We will use those in some future videos. So I hope you found this video helpful. The folks at Yamation sent over some discount codes so that you can try these products out for yourself. These codes can be used on Amazon. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.